Spice Girls are back on tour. Queues just to go inside the shop now. How come? I'm not involved, man. Travel shortcuts, you know me.
The oldest here.
Trying to make their stores like Apple, aren't they?
Car does look pretty cool, yeah, I'll give them that. Whatnot, but I said, you know what? The people need to see the real streets. Night town. Let's look at this. Queues just to go into night town. Crazy. What one box, man? Queues just to go inside the shop now. How come? But the shop's massive though.
Yeah, they still have a limit on what they can let in.
Slow down.
Yeah, everywhere got a
mad, brother. Next thing you know, you're gonna be asking for bloody vaccine proof of vaccinations, isn't it? It's like a nightclub or something. Mad. Has it been like this all day?
Yeah,
it's queues all day.
like that. Like H&M everywhere.
Swear down. End of the world, brother. That's right, G. Yeah. Crazy queues just to go and shop in the bloody store now. The world's gone mad, mate. But yeah, it's a massive store there, the night time. Massive. I ain't lining up for nobody, I'll tell you that right now. Long ass queues, but you don't have time to line up all that. I'm not lining up, mate. Fuck that. Ah, man, some other idiot can go and line up. I'm not doing it, mate. Where are you anyway? Oh yeah, in your home country, yeah? Travel, man, London, it's alright, man, it's alright. I ain't gonna lie, these lights, they've done their thing with these lights. They've decorated this place nicely with these little lights. But I'm not involved, man. Travel shortcuts, you know me, bro. I just keep bouncing around, man, as I do. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna go up there now, man. Cross it on. Keep on going there now. What am I doing? Where's the Microsoft? I'm gonna show you the Microsoft building. It's pretty cool. pretty cool.
The oldest here.
London City. I think they're trying to make their stores like Apple now. Trying to make their stores like Apple, aren't they? Just trying to make their shops like Apple. The car does look pretty cool, I'll give them that. That vehicle, armoured vehicle. Jeez.
Yeah, that's a big thing going out.
Behind the Corbin.
Alright, I'm gonna go Oxford Circus now. I'm in Piccadilly Circus. Let's go. Getting a bit late. Right centre. Got like angel, but the lights are not there. They're not on. I don't know, should I stay on this side? Because the lights were supposed to be on, but as you can see they're not on. So I don't know if to stay on this side or go to the other side. Let's stay on this side for a bit. See if it says vibrant.
Chicken one last time.
Apple shop, flagship store I believe. Because you had the Microsoft down the road, and this one's the Apple. All Saints. Look at that Apple store. Massive. Absolutely massive. This COVID stuff just to go into a store now. Unbelievable.
So,
Yeah. This side's more vibrant, isn't it? There we go. Yeah. Don't really fancy waiting for people at all. Because last time I was here, it was bloody awful. Absolutely awful.
She's in quarantine right now, Dennis. It's hard.
I've done well.
Travelshortcuts. One of those things, really, isn't it? Traveling, seeing something new that you're not too familiar with. We have Soho here that ventures off and branches off into Chinatown. That's where we're gonna go later. But first, I want to go to Oxford Circus and show you guys. Sorry, Piccadilly Circus. Show you guys what's the crack. Show you what's the crack around here. It's just a little walk. I believe it's just like around the corner. It's not too much distance to cover around here. It's pretty nice, isn't it? Oh, it's pretty nice. Spice Girls are back on tour. Oh yeah. Ow! Hoo-ha! Yeah, she don't look too particularly happy, does she? She was like, oh, here we go again. Here we go again. Here we go again. More buses. It's just one of those things. Honestly, I have not been here for a while now. And it's weird because I used to come here all the time with my mates, but everyone just does their own thing now, don't they? So it is what it is, really. Not much you can do. Still got my holy water. It's getting a bit chilly now. So I did want to branch into Leicester Square. That was part of the plan. Got a little distance to cover actually. Yeah, let's try and do that, mate. We're already here, innit? So Oxford Circus, Leicester Square, Soho, and we'll wrap it up, mate. We'll wrap it up. But yeah, I just wanted to, because I started my series covering like the streets that you're not too familiar with in London, and I've obviously done it for a purpose. There's loads of videos of central London and whatnot. But I said, you know what? The people need to see the real streets. The people need to see what's going on, what's the crack, the real end, so to speak. So I said, I put myself in charge. I'm responsible for, you know, showcasing the real streets. And I put myself in charge of showcasing the real streets. And I believe I've done so. Now I'm just showing you the main parts, the Deptford streets, the Piccadilly Circus, the Sohos and Leicester Squares of the world. Central London, Soho, half right there as well.